The sander base plate both holds the sandpaper and provides a flat surface for sanding. The plate uses hook and loop paper and has holes to work with dust collection. Over time, the plate will wear out. It will become nicked around the edge if it is struck against something while sanding. The hook and loop surface will wear away and no longer hold the paper. The hook and loop will wear much faster if pressure is applied to the sander while using it. Replacing the sander base plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old sander base plate from the sander. The base plate is secured with 4 screws. Now I can install the new base plate. I'll line the holes in the base plate with the screw holes in the eccentric. And now I can install the screws. And that's how you can install a new sander base plate on your random orbital sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.